Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I will be sharing with you this beautiful Dollar Tree home decor project. Let's begin. You will be needing 9 of these round mirrors that I found at the Dollar Tree. And the first step is to remove the mirrors from the actual frame, and you will be either drilling or burning in 2 holes like so, and then you will be connecting the mirrors with zip ties. And I think the hardest step of this project is making the holes. If you don't want to do that, you can also glue them together with hot glue and E6000. So once you have your frames connected, then the next step is to proceed to put back the mirrors. And one advice that I can give you when putting the mirrors back in is to hot glue them to the actual frame, because once you hang them, since they are kind of flimsy, the mirrors might move when you hang your project, and we don't want that to happen. Once I'm done hot gluing the mirrors and putting the backing on each one of those mirrors, then you can leave the project like that. It looks pretty good to me, but I did want to add some of this bling. I did get these from Hobby Lobby. I believe it was like $3 or $4. And practically what I did is cut them and just put them on each side like so. And this is the final result. I hope that you like this quick and brief tutorial. And like always, I will see you on my next video. Hasta la vista. Adios.